Some speakers are made for sound, others are made for style. But this is what was made for some moments. This is the oraimo SpaceBox Pro, and it's not just a speaker, it's an experience. Hey guys, what's up? Joel here from Patu Studios. Today we are talking about oraimo SpaceBox Pro, an 80-watt wireless speaker that feels more like your personal party machine other than just another Bluetooth box. And trust me, after spending some real time with it, I'm really in love. Let's get into it. So first impressions. This thing looks serious, rugged, bold, and futuristic. You've got this slick matte finish all around and it's surprisingly easy to carry, especially with the free shoulder strap oraimo included. And I've got to say, major points for that. It's like oraimo knew this speaker would leave the house and made sure it was ready for it. Okay, let's talk about sound. This speaker pushes 80 watts of loud, clear, punchy audio and is built with 2.1 channel surround sound. That means you are getting those deep lows, crisp vocals, and a balanced mix that doesn't distort even when it's loud. It's not just volume, it's presence. You feel the bass, you hear the clarity. Whether you are indoors or by the pool, it fills the space beautifully. Now, this is where the SpaceBox Pro gets fun. There's a built-in karaoke mode, but not just plug and play. You get custom voice effects, so you can play with your sound like a rock star, or just joke around with friends. It turns any chill hangout into a mini concert. Trust me, we've tested it. They call it infinite bit lights. It's exactly that. The lights move with your music and it changes the vibe instantly. It's like having your own built-in DJ light show, but smarter. You can switch it up, dim it, or turn it off completely, but I doubt you will want to. Now, let's talk about something low-key amazing. 2-hour full charge. This thing charges fast, like fast enough to fully juice it during your Netflix binge. And then boom, you are ready for a whole night of music again. This isn't just for DJs or party lovers. It's for you, chilling on your balcony, hosting a game night, working out with your favorite playlist. The SpaceBox Pro blends into your lifestyle and it always makes it a little more alive. So here's the bottom line. The oraimo SpaceBox Pro isn't trying to compete with high-end studio speakers. It's not trying to be minimal. It's just being itself, bold, beautiful, and built for joy. You get real power, fun features, and a vibe you can carry anywhere. And for the price oraimo is asking, it's kinda a no-brainer. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more smart tech reviews, and drop a comment below. Will you rock this at your next get together? This is Joel from Patu Studios. Keep vibing and I'll catch you in the next one.